welcome to Wolf TV, a production of Sela Broadcasting Network. Buenos dias, Sela family. I'm Mrs. Buchanan, and today is Monday, May 17th, 2021. Happy late birthday to Ms. Jones. Her birthday was yesterday, May 16th. And happy late birthday to Ms. Beards, whose birthday was May 3rd. We hope that you both had a wonderful day filled with laughter, love, and happiness. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today will be cloudy with a high of 78 and a low of 57. Don't forget to sign up for CMS Seats at Home. Check out our Facebook page or Class Dojo for information. Or you can sign up at the web address shown on the screen. Guten Morgen, Lila Grace. Dankeschön for teaching us German. Que pasa, Sela is up next.
Girl. Oh no, please don't kiss that.
Gotcha, Edmer.
What?
All right. Would you rather have green hair or blue toes?
Of course, green hair.
Green hair? Why?
Because I don't want blue toes.
All right, Edmer. Thank you, sir.
Hi friends, this is Miss Sushma. I wanted to share a super fun fact about squirrels. Everyone is familiar with gray squirrels, right? But we have a few white squirrels in our community. And I'm sharing a video of these squirrels playing in my backyard. Enjoy watching the video.
Please stay connected to Class Dojo for important announcements and information. Veronica, Naya, and Noor, your puppet show was awesome. You guys are real puppeteers. And you're right, everyone does need to return their library books. You'll be getting overdue notices either today or tomorrow. Find the books at home and return them. If you're a remote 3rd through 8th grade student, you can bring your books back when you come in to test. Or remote students may turn your books into the public library, any public library branch, and they'll send them back to me. Hickory Grove, Independence, and Plaza Midwood are our closest branches, maybe Mint Hill. You could drop them off at any of those branches and they'll send them back to me, and then I'll check them in for you. Students, keep sending your videos into Mr. Perez at the address shown on the screen. Now for a Sela Junior moment.
Hola, yo voy a hacer una ensalada de fruta.
Uy.
Primero vas a agarrar los ingredientes. Puedes agarrar ninguna fruta.
¿Tengo que agarrar qué, mi reina?
Puedes agarrar
Fresas.
Fresas que quieras. Y agarrar fresas.
Sí. Pongo las fresas.
Pongo las fresas. La mandarina.
Mandarina, muy bien.
El melón.
El melón. No.
Las uvas.
Las uvas.
Y las raspberries.
Oh, miren qué linda.
Y
Morita.
después agarras el cubierto y lo mezclas.
Y lo mezclas, muy bien.
Y ya tienes tu fruta la ensalada de fruta.
Y tienes tu ensalada de frutas. ¿Qué le tenemos que decir a nuestra amiga Heidi?
Muchas gracias.
Excelente, aplauso para la chef Heidi.
Riddle, riddle, riddle time, riddle time, riddle time. Yesterday's riddle, a man on a flat soccer field kicked a soccer ball 40 feet away. The ball came back immediately at the same speed. No one else and no object was involved. The ball didn't touch anything on its way. How did the man do that? So he kicked the ball 40 feet away and it came back to him, but nobody else touched it, threw it back to him or kicked it, and it didn't hit anything, so it didn't bounce off a wall and come back, rebound back to him. So if he kicks the ball forward, there's no way it could come back to him unless it hit something or someone hit it. But what if he kicked it straight up in the air? Would it come back down to him without anybody touching it? And without it hitting anything? Yes. What is that called? What science principle is that? Forces in motion. Science. That comes back down. Gravity. Gravity pulls it back down. So it was that he kicked it straight up in the air and it came right back down to him. You got that one. Super smart. Scientist you are. All right, today's riddle. I'm where yesterday follows today and tomorrow is in the middle. What am I? I'm where yesterday follows today and tomorrow is in the middle. What am I? Could be a librarian's one of her favorite sources. I'm not going to give you any more hints than that. That was a pretty good hint. You're going to see tomorrow when you hear what the answer is. But I bet you're going to get it. Good luck. See you later, alligator. At the wild crocodile. Toodaloo, kangaroo. Manana, iguana. See you round like a donut.